everyone! So, good morning. Welcome back. Sorry we took a break. Like, I know this happens whenever we get ill, but it's usually when we're like really ill. Like, I had tonsillitis for a week and I'm just starting to feel human again properly now. I'm still exhausted. My mum's gonna kill me. Shouldn't. I'm trying so hard not to yawn right now. What do you want, Lucas? Do you want it? Do you want it? And that was the happiest look if I ever did see one. So yeah, anyway, we took a bit of a break because I had tonsillitis. This one then got sick and got grumpy. Yeah. And you know what it's like when you just, as a parent, you just don't feel like doing anything. Like, so yeah, you know what it's like as a parent when you're ill, you don't want to do anything. Like, he spent the Sunday I didn't vlog. I think the last day I vlogged was Saturday, and then Sunday I didn't vlog because I was meant to be working but went to work and was sent home. Monday, Brad was home, but he forgot to vlog. Tuesday, Lucas went to my dad's because I was still poorly. Wednesday, he went to nursery because I was still, well, he went to nursery anyway, but I was still poorly. Thursday, I didn't go to work because I was still poorly. And then Friday, Lucas then got ill, so it was like, okay. I'm just repeatedly now just being gross.
Nah.
Yeah? What's the dealio? Did you know you still got a Christmas case on your phone? Turn around. Oh, sorry, is that your phone now? Sorry, I didn't mean to take your phone. How dare Mummy think it's hers? Oh, is it gone? Okay, gone. Gone? Gone? There's Santa. Hey! Yes, it's Santa on my phone. So I'm trying to pick it off. And I can just have this. There you go. Grumbles. So, yeah, I thought I would just return on a Monday, fresh start. You'll be watching this on Tuesday. And, yeah. Why do I keep needing to yawn? And cough. What are these? Are they your tattoos? Ooh. Yeah. What's this? What's this? A cowboy. A very Wild West, Lucas, with our pyjamas. With your cowboy and a cactus. And mine have little cactuses all over it too. Boop, boop.
Oh, Barbie Dobbs.
You're gonna hold it.
Oh, this is Barbie's. That's
Fingers on the lens. So I'm just off out into the garden to do pepper. I'm having a no makeup day today because I'm so spotty with the phone. So I'm sort of trying to start my skincare routine. Oh, my feet. I never wear shoes. Good morning, Peppa. Hey. Hi. Who's that? I stopped vlogging because I could hear my neighbour, who has their bathroom window open, throwing their guts up, which is not pleasant. Alright, snotty man. What's up? Wipe your nose. Uh-oh. At the moment, everything is a massive deal. Usually when he falls over, he's over it quite quickly. Today, he's just like, oh my god, my world's ended. I know, you're poorly. Ow. Right. Nose. Good. Do you want to do it? So today's been pretty rubbish. Lucas has been really poorly though, so like he's been so grouchy. He had a kick off in Sainsbury's. He's just sat. My mum came over this afternoon to give us like our presents for New York, and he just sat grumping at it. So it's sort of been that sort of day where it's just been grouch. And yeah, so we've not really done much. So what time is it? It's 18 minutes past 18. Lucas got to bed already. He went to bed without any dinner. He just didn't want to eat. He just wanted to go to bed. So that's what he's done. He hasn't even got anything to drink or even a Cusky Boo. So we might get rid of them both now. Might be able to get rid of both. He threw up in his Cusky Boo the other day, so we just didn't. It's just been in the wash. We haven't given it back. So yeah, so he's managed to get a bit of that. So I've just got my Yankee candles burning. I put the baby powder one in my oil burner, and it smells so nice right now in here. And yeah, I'm just sort of chilling in my cactus pyjamas and with my snuggle blanket, which has got snuggle up written somewhere, which is really cute. Where is it? It's going to be on the last corner I look at, isn't it? Yeah, here. Snuggle. Let's snuggle up. That's cute. So yeah, I'm just sort of browsing. But I'm going to watch Called Midwife, so you'll probably see me in an hour. But I'm Called Midwife. It's horrible. Oh, things with babies at the moment just set me off. It's really hard. I think we're just finding it hard. I don't think I actually really spoke about this properly on this channel, like, or anywhere. Like, I wrote my blog post because I just find talking out loud, it's really difficult. But I just think every time we get a negative test, or every time something comes up about babies, or like things like sad things, like it reminds us of what we lost and how, I guess, brave we were at the time. I don't know if that's like the right explanation, but we just powered on. Like, I started a new job that week. Like, I didn't sit there and cry all the time. I think I cried at the hospital, and the day after. That was about it. And I just think, yeah, it's harder for us than we anticipated, really. What we thought. So I just get emotional because every time I feel sick for like a couple of days, or I get a symptom, I'm like, and then it's a negative test, and it's like, oh, okay, cool. So I guess it's just really hitting home now that 2 months later we're still not had anything. That it's hitting me now because we should have been announcing it and having like a gender scan coming up and stuff like that. So I guess, yeah, it's hard. I'm finding it harder now than I did originally. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're just gonna watch a film and have a cup of tea and just chill out. All the lights are blown up here because earlier when I turned the bedroom light on, it blew and then it turned all the rest of the lights off. And I don't know if I tried to turn Lucas's light on or not, so we can't go hit the fuse box just in case it turns Lucas's light on when he's asleep. And I'm not dealing with that. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the morning. Good night, guys. Oh, I was meant to say that at the beginning of the video, today's vlog, and the song at the end is actually written by Brad and his friends from his old band. So it's a little bit different, but I thought it'd be really cool to sort of incorporate that into our vlogs. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon. Bye!